Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, welcome to all. আলীনগর বাঙ্গাবাড়ি মাধ্যমিক শিক্ষক কর্মচারী কল্যাণ সমিতি has arranged some several classes for you. So, dear student, I will discuss English for today, class 8, unit 3, lesson 2. The Emma Divers. So our topic is Emma Divers. At the beginning of the text, at first we will learn some meaning of the keywords so that you can understand the passage easily. So the first word is rare. Rare means not common or not available. অসাধারণ, দুর্লভ, যা সহজে পাওয়া যায় না, যা সাধারণ নয়। So, we make a sentence with rare. This is a rare picture in Bangladesh. Do you understand? Okay, I think you understand. Next, descend. Descend means go down. নিচের দিকে নামা। Next, hazardous. Hazardous means risky, dangerous, ঝুঁকিপূর্ণ বা বিপদযুক্ত। We can make a sentence. Sometimes we can say that it's very hazardous for the people to go out without mask. Next word, rely. Rely means depend, নির্ভর করা। We can make a sentence with rely. I can't rely on you. So, my dear student, we have learned the meaning of keyword. My dear student, you are watching the passage on the screen and I am reading. The Emma Divers. Before the beginning of the 20th century, pearls were obtained from pearl oysters. Oysters means Chinook. These oysters were collected from the bottom of the ocean, lake or river. Second para, to get enough pearl oysters, free divers were often forced to descend to the depth of more than 100 feet in one breath. এক নিঃশ্বাসে 100 feet নিচে ডুব দেওয়া। So, dear student, it's difficult for Emma divers. Because of the difficulty of diving, pearls at that time were of different qualities as well as very rare. So, pearls is very expensive. In Asia, some pearl oysters could be found on shoals at a depth of 5 to 7 feet from the surface. Dear student, shoals means জলমগ্ন চর. At times, the divers had to go 40 feet or even up to 125 feet deep to find enough pearl oysters. These deep dives were extremely hazardous to the divers. So, hazardous means ঝুঁকিপূর্ণ, risky. There are two questions. First question is, what is the text about? The text is about Emma Divers. Dear student, notice the second question. Where did the people get the pearls from? এই প্রশ্নটা পাস্ট ফর্মে আছে, পাস্ট টেন্সে আছে। সো উত্তর করার সময় ভার্বটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে, গেটটা থেকে গেট হয়ে যাবে গট। সো অ্যান্সারটা কী হবে তাহলে দেখো, দ্য পিপুল গট দ্য pearls from oysters which were collected from the bottom of the ocean, lake or river. So, my dear student, you have understood the text. So, my dear student, I will give you a homework. Do you think the Emma Divers work is dangerous? Why or why not? You can try to write me in email, and after vacation I will check your notebook. Okay, no more today. My dear student, stay safe, stay home. Okay, thank you.